Hey everyone, today we are going to be checking out a car tent, a car SUV tent from KingCamp. Comfort with nature. Shipping on this, super fast and efficient. This side of the box information here, this is item number KT2529. This is the Boundless X3. Having that first look together, be careful when you open this. No knives. This is a tent fabric right underneath there. So opening the top on here, it looks like everything's packaged very nice. Minimal packaging, wrapped up in plastic. Super easy, right out of the box. Look at this carry bag. So logoed KingCamp on one side, super duper nice carry straps here. And then on the other side, little information on the side of that carry bag, Boundless X3. So this gives you kind of like what your tent looks like in measurements. So we have about a 9 by 9, about 9 by 9 by 7. Give or take. Details about the actual tent. It does say this is 26.5 pounds. Nice carry bag though. Super nice. That carry bag does have a nice full zipper that goes all the way down the side. So everything in here looks pretty nice. Packed pretty nice. We do have, our projector screen. That's nice as well. Looks like we do have some directions right sewn into the side of the bag there. And everything is packaged nice and securely. Let's get everything out and roll it on out as well. Here's a peek at everything unpacked from that storage bag or that carry bag. Again, the directions are sewn right into that bag. Super, super convenient. So then we have our projection screen and the support frame for that projection screen. We have our tent stakes and guy rope, along with our nice cinch strap for everything. Here we have our rain fly. And then right here, I unrolled it a little bit. We have our actual tent. I kind of unrolled it, got it undone a little bit. You can see that it has like the support, the body, right here. I think this is gonna be pretty easy to put up. So far, everything looks impeccable. So right here we have our main support for the tent, and it has these supporting poles. So you're just gonna go ahead and extend out the sides. Now that we have those four legs kind of extended out and put in place here, we're gonna go ahead and push down on the center hub to make sure everything is securely in place. Next, we're gonna go ahead and take that rain fly while it's down low and go ahead and put that over the top. I've draped the rain fly over the top of the tent, and we're gonna make sure that on the rain fly towards the front, there's this orange little tag that matches up with that front door. When you're extending these poles, go ahead and extend until you hear it snap. Like that. And you'll see the little push button comes out. Go ahead and push that button down and you can see how it goes back and forth, but it locks into place when you hear that snap, and this button comes out. Now that we have those tent legs extended and you can see that yellow button has popped out, we're gonna go ahead and secure that rain fly that we draped over the top. On the underneath, there are 2 pieces of Velcro right there that go ahead and secure around this pole. After you secure that Velcro, you can take your elastic and secure it down to the webbing down below. We have the main body of the tent up along with that rain fly secured. It does have a couple Velcro pieces on the side, like I had noted, that you can secure to each 4 poles. Our next step is to go ahead and take what they call the H pole, put it together, and it goes right through the vestibule area here. So right in the front, over that door, this is gonna slide right on through. So here you can see this pole. I did slide it right on through. It has a little bend to it. So you have 2 poles. This one has a little bend to it, and it adheres, goes right into those metal grommets on each side. And above me, you can now see where it's into those metal grommets. It creates a nice little awning over the top of the tent, over that front doorway. Looking pretty nice. It's coming right along. Now that we have that tent set up, that preliminary setup, nothing is staked down to the ground. We're gonna go ahead and back our vehicle up because this does connect to the SUV. So you have the fabric that's gonna drape over the top. Everything's gonna kind of come together. So you need to back up, aligning your vehicle with that tent. We can of course move it around since nothing is staked down permanently, but let's go ahead and line up that vehicle. I've gone ahead and backed our camping vehicle right on up to that tent. For this, we are using an older model Grand Cherokee, perfect camping vehicle. Nice and big in the back, so we can go ahead and put a mattress back there and in the tent as well. So the first thing we're gonna do is unzipped that enclosure and then open the back of the Jeep so it can open into the tent. We're also going to take the outer part of the tent and drape it over the hatch that opens up. I'm currently inside the tent right now, and I went ahead and unzipped that enclosure. So we have the open canopy that goes over the back of the vehicle right here. So down below is a heavy-duty tarp material. We're just going to go ahead and secure that underneath the bumper area. And then this portion here is going to go over that hatch. Back on the outside of the tent here, you'll see how I have gotten that fabric to go up over that hatch. So that hatch is up. There are some nice straps up on top of here to connect to your luggage rack. And then down below, we have straps as well to hook them onto your wheel well. So you're going to secure these to your vehicle. They are stretchy and adjustable as well. So you can get a nice tight fit. This does have elastic all around the sides as well. Two different spots of elastic. So you have like an inner elastic and an outer elastic to try to keep those bugs at bay. Of course, temperature control as well. Again, you have more clasps to adhere this to your vehicle. A number of different options depending on the vehicle you're attaching it to. So far, it's been incredibly easy. Of course, 2 people always come in handy, but I've done this alone in just a matter of minutes. So super, super simple to set up. Now that we have this over our vehicle, I'm going to go ahead and just connect those spots I told you about up on the luggage rack, the wheel well. Then we can kind of position our tent and stake it out. Now that I have the vehicle connected 100%, I went around and I did stake out the bottom of the tent, making it nice and taut. You can see that it is a really good sized tent. We're going to go ahead and take a peek around the inside, but there's a number of windows I opened up as well, letting those nice breezes on through. All right, I went ahead and unzipped everything. Let's go ahead and take a walk through. So starting with our nice little awning, super nice. We do have a door on the right side here, full zip. Inside the tent, we also have a lot of ventilation, which I love camping, to have lots of ventilation. Once you enter the tent, on the back wall, you do have a nice big window I rolled up. Again, a storage pocket down below. Another nice big window on this side and another storage pocket down below. Back to that front door area. This does also unzip. It's another screen, just like this one here. The actual ground tarp is very heavy duty, like a typical tent. But the most important thing about this tent is that it is an SUV car tent. Therefore, you have the extra storage, the extra area to go ahead and put a mattress in there, utilize your vehicle as a storage space, camping space, whatever you want while you're camping with this tent. Again, around the edges, nice and secure. You can't even see really. A couple little spots I can see some daylight. Most of it is secured. I could probably even go and cinch that up a little bit more. Of course, with the vehicle attached to the tent, you do not want to operate your vehicle as that exhaust would be right in your tent. So that would be a very bad idea. However, in your car, ours, we can fold down the seats. We have a mattress that actually fits in the back of that perfectly. So we can have 2 adults that sleep in the back here. This is plenty large enough in here for another queen air mattress, or even, I would say, up to 3 twin mattresses. You could really, really pack them in here and have a nice camping experience. Here's another peek of that car hatch, all zipped up. So you can pull your car away from the tent, go away for the day, come back, and set it all back up as well. The top of the tent also, remember we have that rain fly. This is a screen. You'll see the triangular shape there. Those are all screens. You do have a nice hook for a lantern as well. Overall, this is a very nice tent. It's put together very nice. It was also super, super easy to set up, like I said. One person. In the corners, we do have a couple little hooks as well where you can hang something. So those corner little spots that I said you could hang something from, voila, it's a projector screen. You can include a projector screen. Down below is that other pole that we didn't use for setting up the tent. That's for the projector screen to kind of hold it taut. That's really nice though.
We're talking about movies?
Movies?
We're talking movies.
Movies and camping. They go hand in hand. That's really awesome that they include that projector screen. Just another option for you while you're camping. If you guys want more details and information about this SUV car tent, check that link in the description for all the details, specifications, and of course price. Thank you all so much for watching. We really, really appreciate it. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye!